everybody, what's up and welcome back to Evelyn Loves to Vlog. It's been some time, but today I want to go on ahead and show you guys this brush that I got for some time now, but I just never did a video about it, and so I just want to show you the new Revlon brush. I have almost a year with it, but I just want to show you guys how good it is if you want to dry your hair fast, quick, and in no time at your home, totally free. Now I think it's a perfect time just because it's quarantine and everything like that. So I'm about to dry my hair and I just want to show you guys what it's like. So this is the Revlon brush. It looks something like this. It's super big. It's nice and pretty, black and pink. And I really recommend this to you guys. I really do. It's so good. I bought it at Ulta for about like $55, I think. At that moment, or 60, I don't remember too well, but now they have it everywhere, like Walmart, Target, and so many other stores. But let's dry our hair for this quarantine.